Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert section break continuous in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with many text. Now I insert section break continuous in Google Docs. At first you have to put your mouse cursor to end of this page. Now go to insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Now you can see here are section break continuous. Just press it. Now you can see here are section 3. Now you guys see I insert section break continuous in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.